Yeah, yeet! What's up, guys? Today we are doing some more Rocket League. We started, we're doing some doubles. It's all Gucci, fam! Are you serious? Aquadome, that's like the worst map ever. It's like the most retarded map. It's like some idiot designed it. It's like, ooh, you can watch the sharks and all that. But for me, Aquadome is just laggy because for me, my computer isn't the greatest, and there's just so much. Do I get to skip it? Wait. Why is my screen like this? Yes! Oh my god, my ping was at 0 for a second. Maverick! Maverick AI, oh my god. No way. There's a Maverick AI, guys. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit. It's lit. My god. Okay, well my ping was at like, it was at 0. My screen just froze. Oh my god. I nailed that, yeah. God, I think I just got kicked out. Yeah, I got kicked out, guys. But oh my god, seriously, a Maverick. A Maverick AI. Oh my god.